Hi and welcome to Christine's Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to tie a slip knot. It's really easy, great for loads of crafts. Take about 10 inch of your yarn and then decide that's where you put in your loop so you've got a nice long tail. Form a loop by crossing the tail over the yarn. Okay, so take the tail, put it over the yarn. Pick up the loop, put your other hand through, get hold of the tail and pull it through. But make sure you keep hold of the other end. Pull it tight and you should now have a loop. If you now pull the original yarn, it'll just get tighter. If you pull your tail, it'll pull through the slip knot. It'll make your loop smaller, hence a slip knot. You can pull your loop and make it bigger. Pull the tail, make it smaller. If you no longer want your slip knot, just pull the yarn and the tail and it'll disappear. So let's go through that again. Take your yarn, get hold of it about 10 inches in, take the tail, put it over the yarn. Take hold of the loop, pull the tail through the loop. Keep hold of the other ends, make sure you form a loop, pull it tight. You should now get a nice little slip knot with a loop. If you pull your yarn, it'll get tighter. If you pull the tail, your loop will get smaller. Pull the loop to make it bigger, pull the tail to make it smaller. Now you can simply get rid of it by pulling both ends of the yarn. How simple was that? Great little knot to be used for lots of crocheting, knitting and any craft you can think of. So well done and thank you for watching Christine's Crafts.